Shifter and go. I'm recording you. Step on it. Fix the shifter. Aw, you gonna... Come on. Drive that tractor. Step on it. Come on, so you can see it when you get older. Step on it. Drive. Drive. You see how good of a driver you are. When you get older, you'll see how good of a driver you are. Drive.
No.
What do you mean no? You don't want to drive your tractor. You don't want to see it when you get older, how good you are.
Oh,
no. No. Why? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong with it? What happened?
Beep, beep.
Aww. You can't step on the gas, it won't go. Try it.
Ah.
Put the shifter. Put it in drive. Actually, you put it. Now go on it. Now do it. And he's off. He's driving. There goes Trevor. Hiding along in Swansea, in the backyard. Hopefully I don't step in anything. No landmines. You gonna run over landmines? What's Trevor gonna do? Where are you going? Going to the corner of the yard? You're not gonna turn? He's not turning. Oh no. He's gonna go pick up some leaves. Come on. Gotta back up. But because Gramps played with the electronics, it doesn't back up anymore. It only worked for the last 15 years. Go ahead. Step on the gas. Put it back in drive. Go. Go. Say hi.
Hi.
There's Ava. Cousin Ava. Oh, what's Trevor doing? Trevor's taking her. Spin the tire.
Step on it, dude.
Back tire's spinning. You gotta push the seat. Push him on the seat.
Alright, get on it.
No, the seat.
Huh?
The seat. Move him with the seat. No, that's not what I meant.
There we go. That's why, because that was stuck.
Good, step on the gas. Put it in gear, go. Ooh, poopa-doopa.
Bye, Trevs. And have a big hugging kissy. Mwah.
Bye, Ava.
Bye.
Love you. Wave bye to the camera.
Bye.